Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using MoodSpace. MoodSpace, found at https://moodspace.com, is a digital platform designed to help users understand and manage their emotional well-being. It utilizes a visually engaging and interactive interface to track mood fluctuations, identify potential triggers, and develop personalized coping strategies. The platform offers a variety of tools and resources, including mood journaling, personalized insights based on tracked data, and guided exercises rooted in cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) principles. Users can log their mood multiple times a day, adding notes and context to each entry. This allows for a more nuanced understanding of emotional patterns and helps identify recurring themes or situations that may be contributing to specific feelings. MoodSpace goes beyond simple mood tracking by offering a deeper dive into the why behind emotional shifts. By encouraging users to document the context surrounding their moods, the platform facilitates the identification of potential triggers and influencing factors. This can range from specific activities and social interactions to environmental factors or even physiological changes. The personalized insights generated from this data provide users with a clearer picture of their emotional landscape, empowering them to take proactive steps towards improved mental health. The integration of CBT techniques further enhances MoodSpace effectiveness. These evidence-based exercises provide practical tools and strategies for managing difficult emotions and developing healthier coping mechanisms. Users can access a library of resources and guided activities designed to address a range of emotional challenges, from anxiety and stress to low mood and irritability. The platform encourages regular engagement with these tools, fostering a proactive approach to emotional regulation and long-term well-being. By combining mood tracking, personalized insights, and CBT-based exercises, MoodSpace offers a comprehensive approach to emotional well-being. It empowers users to take control of their mental health by providing them with the knowledge and tools they need to understand, manage, and improve their emotional state. This proactive approach can lead to greater self-awareness, improved coping skills, and a more balanced and fulfilling life.